this is the question. First read the question clearly, each and every concept, right? Now I'm going to tell you how to solve these kind of questions, right? So the equation asking for the resonance energy of N2O. So first you have to write the equation of the formation of the N2O. So N2O is formed according to N2 plus O2 gives N2O, and here if we are going to balance, this becomes half. This N triple bond N, half O double bond O, and here N double bond N double bond O, N2O. So beta, in this if we are going to calculate the enthalpy of formation of N2O, then it will be the energy of this plus energy of this minus energy of this. So bond energy of N double bond N plus half bond energy of O double bond O, right, this side, minus bond energy of N double bond N plus bond energy N double bond O, right? So beta, here if we put the values of this which is given in the question, then it will be bond energy of N double bond N, it is given here 946. So 946 plus half 498 O double bond O, half multiply 498 minus bond energy of N double bond N, it is 418 it is, and plus bond energy of N double bond O, that is 607, it is plus. So it is going to be, if you are going to calculate this, it will be 170 kilojoule per mole. So it is the calculated value. So we have to calculate the resonance energy of N2O. So the resonance energy of N2O is resonance energy of N2O is equal to observed value minus calculated value. So beta, observed value is given, this 82, and the calculated value what we have calculated is 170. So it will become minus 88 kilojoule per mole. This is the resonance energy of the N2O molecule, that is minus 88 kilojoule per mole. So minus 88 kilojoule per mole is this. The C option is correct, right? So I think you come to know how to calculate the resonance energy with the given data. Now beta, move to the some questions related to the stability of resonating structures related to resonance energy. How the resonance energy contributed to the defining the stability of the resonating structures. Okay, some examples I am going to take. I am going to take some examples related to the stability of contributing resonating structures. The first example is of naphthalene. This. Now the conjugation is there, relocalization of pi electrons. The three resonating structures will form. I'm going to write here all the three structures, right? So beta, these may be the three structures. So the stability order is equal to, let this is A, this is B, and this one is C. So beta, in this you may clearly observe here, in this structure the pi bond is included in between the two benzene rings, means it may be included to this and it may be included to this. So both are the acting as benzene ring, means more resonance. And here also the pi electrons distributed in between the both the benzene rings, both the rings. So this also like the A structure, but in the B structure the pi bond is not included in between the two rings. So the delocalization of pi electrons are less. That means the A and C are equally stable, but the B is less stable. Got it? Now move to the second question. The second question is benzene. Delocalization of pi electrons takes place. And it comes this. Again the delocalization of pi electrons takes place. In both the rings 3 pi electrons are there and they are moving within the ring. The same structures they are. So that means they possess the same resonance energy. They show the same resonance energy value. That means both are equally stable. That means A and B. A is equal to B, stability order. Right? Now move to the third question. Benzene, this, this. So beta, among these three A, B and C, what is the stability order? So beta, the stability order defines by the resonance. More resonance, more stable. So here is one benzene ring, here is two benzene rings because the pi electrons are shared, right? And here are the three benzene rings. So more benzene rings, more delocalization, more resonance energy, more stability, right? So C is more stable than B and then A. That means more benzene ring, more stability, more resonance energy, right? One more question, fourth question is this, very interesting question it is. So in this question A, B, C and D, in this question we are going to see this A has how many benzene rings? Two benzene rings, because this pi electrons shared between this and this, right? So two benzene rings, two benzene rings. Now in this example only one benzene ring is there. Pi electron so is not shared with this or any other. So one benzene ring. Now in this question the pi electrons is shared with this as well as with this, and meanwhile this may be delocalized with this benzene ring. So because the middle ring has the double bond character, that means these pi electrons may be shifted to this as well as with this. So more delocalization. Two benzene rings and pi electrons is at middle ring. So more delocalization, and in this case again the pi electrons is in the middle ring. That means it may be delocalized with this ring and with this ring, right? So two rings formed at a time, two benzene ring forms, but delocalization is more. Delocalization may takes place within the three structures, right? Three rings. So two benzene ring and pi electrons at middle ring. And in this first case, pi electrons is on the corner ring. It may not delocalize with this ring, with the third ring, right? So it has pi electrons at corner ring. So beta, more resonance taking place in C and D than A, than B. So the stability order is equal to the C and D has equal, C is equal to D, and then A, and then the B. This is the stability order. Hope that each concept and definition and each and everything related to the resonance has been cleared. One thing I would like to say you, please share and like. Please share the video as much as you can and like the video. If you like my video, my method of teaching, my concept clearance method, if your concept has been cleared, crystal cleared, then please share the video to your friends, the students. Please share the video to the each and every student to make the concept clear, right? So beta, please like and share. Thank you.